Imagine a place where turquoise waters caress pristine sandy beaches, lush greenery embraces breathtaking landscapes, and tranquility washes away the stresses of daily life. Islands have long captivated our collective imagination, offering an escape from the ordinary and a glimpse into paradise. In this video, we present to you the top 5 best islands in the world that are an absolute must-visit for any avid traveler seeking the ultimate getaway. 1. Bora Bora, French Polynesia, a slice of heaven on earth. Nestled like a jewel in the heart of the South Pacific, Bora Bora emerges as a picturesque island that appears to have been meticulously crafted by celestial beings. Its allure lies in its iconic overwater bungalows, gracefully perched above the mesmerizing crystal-clear waters, creating an idyllic setting for a romantic retreat like no other. Immerse yourself in the enchanting world beneath the surface as you dive into the technicolor coral reefs that teem with vibrant marine life. Embark on an adventure through the underwater paradise, discovering a kaleidoscope of exotic fish and intricate coral formations. For a more secluded experience, indulge in a private beach picnic on the soft, powdery sands, surrounded by the stunning turquoise hues of the lagoon. Let the gentle caress of the ocean breeze and the soothing rhythm of the waves create an atmosphere of pure bliss. To truly appreciate the beauty of Bora Bora, take to the skies on a mesmerizing helicopter tour. Marvel at the breathtaking panorama of this tropical paradise, with its lush green peaks, radiant blue lagoon, and vibrant coral gardens. The bird's eye view will leave you in awe of nature's masterpiece. 2. Santorini, Greece, a Mediterranean gem. Renowned for its breathtaking sunsets and striking architecture, Santorini is a Greek island that exudes charm and elegance. Its iconic whitewashed buildings, adorned with vibrant blue domes, stand in stark contrast against the deep azure sea. Stroll through the narrow cobblestone streets of Oia, visit ancient ruins, or simply relax on the black sand beaches. Santorini's mesmerizing beauty is bound to leave you spellbound. 3. Maldives, a tropical haven. Nestled in the Indian Ocean, the Maldives is an archipelago that boasts unparalleled natural beauty, making it a tropical haven for travelers seeking paradise. This idyllic destination is renowned for its pristine white sand beaches, crystal-clear turquoise lagoons, and abundant marine life. The Maldives is a playground for luxury and relaxation, offering a myriad of luxurious resorts that cater to every indulgence. Immerse yourself in the epitome of opulence by staying in private water villas, where you can wake up to the gentle lapping of waves and enjoy direct access to the sparkling lagoon. Pamper yourself with world-class spa treatments, rejuvenating massages, and wellness therapies that will leave you feeling utterly revitalized. The underwater world of the Maldives is a treasure trove for divers and snorkelers. Dive into a vibrant wonderland teeming with colorful coral reefs and an array of marine species. Explore the coral gardens, swim alongside graceful sea turtles, and have unforgettable encounters with majestic manta rays. The Maldives is a paradise for water enthusiasts, offering a wealth of activities to satisfy every underwater adventure seeker. 4. Maui, Hawaii, a nature lover's paradise. Maui, the second largest Hawaiian island, is a dream destination for nature enthusiasts. From the lush rainforests of the Road, to Hana, to the otherworldly landscapes of Haleakala National Park, Maui is a treasure trove of awe-inspiring sights. Catch a glimpse of humpback whales, hike through bamboo forests, or simply bask on the golden sands of Kaanapali Beach. With its diverse ecosystem and breathtaking scenery, Maui is a slice of paradise waiting to be explored. 5. Palawan, Philippines, a hidden gem of Southeast Asia. Tucked away in the Philippines, Palawan stands as an unspoiled tropical paradise, lovingly referred to as the last ecological frontier. With its pristine natural beauty, this hidden gem has captured the hearts of travelers seeking a sanctuary amidst untouched landscapes and crystal-clear waters teeming with marine life. The sparkling waters of Palawan hold a captivating allure for divers and snorkelers alike. Dive beneath the surface and enter a world of vibrant coral reefs, where a kaleidoscope of colorful fish dance before your eyes. Swim alongside gentle sea turtles, or witness the graceful ballet of manta rays gliding through the deep blue waters. One of Palawan's most enchanting attractions is the Underground River, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Embark on a magical journey as you paddle through the mystical underground caves, adorned with impressive stalactites and stalagmites. Let your imagination run wild as you explore this subterranean wonderland. For those seeking relaxation, The idyllic beaches of El Nido beckon. Sink your toes into the soft, powdery sands as you bask in the warm tropical sun. Take a leisurely stroll along the shore and marvel at the breathtaking limestone cliffs that rise majestically from the turquoise waters. Finally, from the idyllic shores of Bora Bora to the mesmerizing beauty of Santorini, the world is blessed with numerous captivating islands that offer a refuge from the ordinary. Whether you seek relaxation, adventure, or simply a respite from the demands of daily life, these top 5 best islands present an enticing array of experiences. Indulge in luxury, immerse yourself in nature, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Embark on a journey to these paradisiacal destinations and discover the true meaning of bliss amidst nature's wonders. Thanks for watching. And if you'll like to see more of this content, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos.